Hello, welcome to Pulse Automation and Services. In last video, we discuss about basic screen of automatic bandsaw or cutting machine. Now in this video, we will go forward step. And we will introduce the startup and programming interlocks step by step. Also we will explain workflow or cycle sequence in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for getting updated. And don't forget to watch last video. Because if you skip video or don't watching video in series, then difficult to understand. Here we present the same screen, which we explained before. There is total 4 cylinder. 2 cylinder has 2 reed switch. M13, M14, and M20, M19 for forward and reverse indication vice versa. Here for fixed vice and variable vice, we took a reed switch as an example. Either we can use pressure switch as per the requirement. In this screen, O and C is indicating open and close command. M12 is detecting bar which we have to cut. If there is no bar in auto mode or bar empty, that time machine will give alarm and stop. After feed new bar, machine will run continue. Now let's introduce button function, which is available at right hand side. Start PB and stop PB will in use only when the machine is running in auto mode. Start button for cycle start but, in this case, machine will only start if machine is in home or origin condition. If machine is not in homing condition and press the start command, machine will be alarm. And for stop button, cycle will stop after finish cutting present part. For emergency stop, there are push button is given for instant stop the machine. Next is manual and auto push button. And there is also semi-auto push button. If during the maintenance or any reason, suppose we need to run machine in single command for single sequence, then we can use jog running. In jog mode, machine will go forward step only, when we give next command. And it will operate only in manual mode. Next is home button for homing. Remember, for run the cycle in auto mode, home is necessary. RST button is for reset the alarms pop up. Machine will not start until alarm is popping up. Beside the push buttons, there is cycle time box. There will be indicating of current cycle time of cutting. Let's talk about the reed switch, which is mount on a cylinder. For an animation, we give 2 color inside the sensor. When there are red color on the sensor, just understand, it is not detected. When it will on or detected, it will become blue color. Now let's take a machine in homing condition. So just check machine is in manual mode, either machine will not home. After press the home, machine will come in home position in same sequence. First machine cutting shuttle will in up direction. Up command will on until M13 proxy detect shuttle position up. After this variable vice will be open till M16 will detect. After that, scaling cylinder will go forward side. And, in final, fix vice will be open. So this is final sequence of machine origin in safe condition. After machine origin, home button will indicate. We can also operate the cylinders and pumps through the panel view. We can change the cylinder position in manual mode, through this push button. Some operation is dangerous to operate without interlocks. So we didn't give in this function. We didn't give in this function. Like a up and down cylinder for cutting. There is risk of accident. So let's on the coolant. Now you can see, coolant indicate on. You can check this in machine view, for coolant on. Pump color red means, pump is in running condition. Now let's check the hydraulic motor on. On. Now let's operate the cylinder. Now we give command to operate variable vice close command. In machine view, you can see that, vice close command is green, it means on. Close command will be off, when read switch or pressure switch give confirmation for close. Now let's check some operation in manual mode. Now let's check the interlock. We will operate one cylinder in manually. And now machine not in origin condition. After machine will try to homing in auto mode. The cylinder will not go in homing position. This interlock is set from PLC program for safety purpose. Thank you.